England, a country whose influence has reached every corner of the world. A land of kings and queens, ancient castles and modern cities, legendary writers and groundbreaking scientists. For centuries, England has shaped history, culture, language, and innovation on a global scale. Yet beyond the iconic images of London and royal palaces lies a country filled with hidden beauty and remarkable stories. A place where Roman ruins stand beside medieval cathedrals, where mysterious stone circles predate recorded history, and where rolling green countryside seems untouched by time. From bustling cities to peaceful villages, from rugged coastlines to mountain landscapes. Join us as we journey across England and discover the places that reveal the true character of this extraordinary nation. This is England. Every great nation has a city that defines it. For England, that city is London. A settlement that began as a Roman trading post nearly 2,000 years ago has grown into one of the world's most influential capitals. The River Thames flows through its heart, connecting centuries of history with the modern world. Towering above the river stands the Palace of Westminster. Its famous clock tower, known around the world as Big Ben, has become one of England's most recognizable symbols. Just steps away stands Westminster Abbey. For nearly 1,000 years, kings and queens have been crowned within its walls. Few buildings have witnessed more of England's history. Nearby lies Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. The ceremony of the changing of the guard continues a tradition watched by millions every year. Yet London is much more than royal landmarks. It is a city of museums, theaters, markets, and cultures from around the globe. Every street tells a story. Every neighborhood reveals a different side of England. If London represents England's power, Oxford and Cambridge represent its intellect. For centuries, these university cities have attracted some of the world's brightest minds. Scientists, philosophers, prime ministers, and Nobel Prize winners. Walking through Oxford feels like stepping into another era. Golden stone colleges rise above narrow streets. Ancient libraries preserve centuries of knowledge. The city's atmosphere inspired generations of writers, including those whose stories continue to capture imaginations worldwide. Cambridge offers a different charm. Elegant college buildings line the River Cam, where traditional punts glide peacefully beneath willow trees. Together, these two cities have helped shape ideas that changed the world. Long before England became a united kingdom, York stood at the center of empires. Romans, Anglo-Saxons, Vikings, all left their mark on this remarkable city. Today, York remains one of Europe's best preserved medieval destinations. Its ancient walls still encircle the historic center. Inside stands York Minster, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Its stained glass windows tell stories spanning centuries. Nearby, the Shambles offers a glimpse into medieval England. Its timber-framed buildings lean toward each other above narrow cobbled streets. Few places transport visitors into the past quite like York. In northwest England lies a landscape unlike any other. A region of lakes, mountains, forests, and valleys. The Lake District. For generations, artists and poets came here seeking inspiration. And it is easy to understand why. Morning mist drifts across still waters. Ancient stone walls weave through rolling hills, and dramatic peaks rise above the horizon. This is home to England's highest mountain, Scafell Pike, and its deepest lake, Wastewater. The beauty of the Lake District is not found in a single location. It is found in the harmony between nature and time. A landscape shaped by glaciers, preserved by generations, and celebrated around the world. When people imagine the English countryside, they are often imagining the Cotswolds, rolling green hills, ancient churches, stone cottages glowing golden beneath the afternoon sun. The villages here seem almost untouched by modern life. Places like Bibury, Bourton-on-the-Water, and Stow-on-the-Wold. Their quiet streets preserve the atmosphere of another century. The Cotswolds remind visitors that England's greatest treasures are not always found in its cities. Sometimes they are hidden among peaceful landscapes and timeless villages. England's story is not only one of kings and castles. It is also a story of innovation. Manchester helped launch the Industrial Revolution, transforming not only Britain, but the entire world. Its factories and inventions changed how humanity lived and worked. Today, Manchester remains a center of creativity, music, science, and sport. A short journey west lies Liverpool, a city built by the sea. Its historic docks once connected Britain to distant continents. Liverpool later changed the world again, this time through music. The Beatles emerged from these streets and transformed popular culture forever. Together, Manchester and Liverpool represent the modern spirit of England. Creative, dynamic, and constantly evolving. Nearly 2,000 years ago, the Romans arrived in Britain. And in the rolling hills of southwest England, they discovered something remarkable: natural hot springs rising from deep beneath the earth. Recognizing their significance, the Romans built a settlement around these healing waters. That settlement would become Bath. Today, Bath remains one of England's most beautiful and historic cities. At its heart stand the Roman baths, one of the best preserved Roman sites anywhere in Europe. Here, visitors can walk beside ancient pools where Roman citizens once gathered, bathed, and worshipped. The waters continue to flow just as they did nearly 2 millennia ago. But Bath's story did not end with Rome. Centuries later, elegant Georgian architecture transformed the city. Grand crescents curve gracefully across the landscape. Golden stone buildings glow beneath the English sun. And wide avenues create one of Britain's most harmonious urban designs. Bath is a city where every street reflects centuries of history. A place where the ancient world remains beautifully alive. Long before Rome, long before castles, even before written history, Stonehenge stood upon the Salisbury Plain. Its massive stones have watched over the landscape for more than 4,000 years. Who built it? How was it constructed? And why? Despite decades of research, many questions remain unanswered. Yet perhaps that mystery is exactly what makes Stonehenge so captivating. It is a monument that connects modern humanity to an ancient and largely forgotten world. Our journey ends on England's southern coast, in Brighton, a city famous for creativity, individuality, and seaside charm. The Brighton Palace Pier stretches into the English Channel, continuing a tradition of British seaside holidays that has endured for generations. Nearby stands the extraordinary Royal Pavilion. Its exotic design unlike anything else in Britain. Brighton offers a different side of England. Relaxed, colorful, and endlessly welcoming. England is more than a destination. It is a journey through time. A land where ancient traditions survive beside modern innovation. Where every city, village, and landscape reveals another chapter in a remarkable story. From royal palaces and medieval streets, to mountain lakes and mysterious monuments, England continues to inspire millions of visitors from around the world. And perhaps its greatest wonder is not any single landmark, but the incredible diversity waiting to be discovered beyond the familiar. This is England, a country shaped by history, defined by culture, and filled with unforgettable places. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring.